Hello everyone, this is Mazar Murtaza, a final year student of Business Studies Department at Namal University, Miyawali.
And myself, Ghulam Yasin, student of Business Studies Department.
Today I am going to talk about my final year project, which is integration of augmented reality into marketing and communication. So first of all, you must know what is augmented reality. Augmented reality is overlaying digital information on real world. Augmented reality allows users to visualize products in real world context via virtual interface, which enhances the decision making process and drives customers engagement. So the problem is that the old ways of marketing like digital marketing and traditional marketing techniques often fail to deliver immersive and interactive experiences that modern consumers demand.
Our project focused on four main goals. Number 1, analyze AR's potential in Pakistan. Number 2, develop a working AR prototype. Number 3, design a complete AR campaign. Number 4, establish a dedicated AR marketing.
Static ads cannot compete with dynamic and engaging content. Augmented reality fills this gap by allowing users to interact with product in real time, increase engagement, and purchase intention.
We created a prototype using Vuforia and Unity, featuring a burger menu with 3D visualizations, nutritional information, and interactive promotional content. This demonstrates AR's power in enhancing customers' decision making and brand interaction. By bridging traditional and digital marketing, our project proves that AR is not just future, it's the present. Let's revolutionize marketing together in Pakistan.